So, last year, we decided to buy some seeds from my gardener, and I just fell in love with the picture of this white patty pan scallop squash. And so I thought, well, it's really pretty, I should buy some. So, and the seeds are so cheap I could do that. So we did, and it turns out I actually really like them. I don't normally like summer squash, but I like these. Just the edges, not the middles, just the edges raw. Other members of our family eat them pickled, we eat them steamed, we eat them sliced up in pasta, lasagna. So we're really making good use of this. This actually is one day's harvest. We harvested yesterday and we got 6 more today. In about 6 weeks we've gotten 30 off this plant, which I will now show you the plant. Yep, hold on, I'm going to take a step back. It's not a traditional bush summer squash. It gets a bit giganteous, but we're really enjoying it. And this one actually we've gotten some vine borers off of. We probably got too big and a couple of the ends got cut off, and it still is doing really well. And this spot was a spot we had a tree cut down and ground up a couple years ago, and I'll show you the other spot I had some of these, but I was like, I just don't feel like, time I only had 3 summer squash plants, like, I don't feel like that's enough, one of each kind, because I didn't even know if we were going to like this. So I went ahead and put some cardboard down on top of where we had the thing dug up, the tree ground up, put a handful of Miracle-Gro in-ground potting mix, and went at it, and then we added some mulch on top. But it's, as you can see, doing really well. There actually probably will be some more in the next day or two. It is having some squash bugs on it, and you can see a few of the older leaves are getting powdery mildew, but it doesn't really seem to be impacting production. Another one, this is it. It's been going for about 2 months now. We've gotten over 60 squash from it. That is it back there. On the other side of that stump, it's all over that stump. It's all, there is an 8-ball zucchini right there. But the rest of that is one patty pan. So you do need to be aware that you need to leave some space, but I feel like the yield and the flavor is worth it. You can see on the other ones the size we decided we liked to pick. But you can let them get bigger, especially if you're going to cook them. They do seem to keep in the refrigerator better than normal summer squash. So all in all, we're really excited to have found this. I think we'll be going to it for a lot. Filming, and I realized we missed picking one down here. This is how prolific it is and how spread out it is. And oh wait, that was another one. I think I better go get my knife and harvest some more.